Hey, lovelies. Hi, mamas. Can you pause it? Do the introduction for me. Hi, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mommy's channel.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye.
If I didn't say anything, no. Hello. You are not saying anything. You there, guy. So, guys, you are welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today, I'm going for lecture. So I was supposed to leave them with their dad, but he had some emergency. Good morning. He's gotten an emergency call that he needs to attend to it urgently. So guys, today I don't even know whether we should stay or we should still go, but anyways, we are going because I have some practicals and I don't want to miss it. So Mama, can you please pause this one? So guys, go with us, okay? I'm going with them. So wish me all the best. So we've packed our stuffs here. So go with us, okay? Alright. Bye. You saw it?
Yes.
I hope you guys is promising me you are going to be good girls.
Yes.
Mefia, watch in the camera and tell me, are you going to be a good girl?
Yes.
I have spoken with one of my lecturers. So you go and stay with him so that he will take you to his class when he's going to teach. When I finish, then I come for you. Is it okay? Is it okay? Promise you guys are going to be good girls. Yo. If you misbehave, I'll not take you to the school again, no. So be good girls, okay? Okay. Tomorrow I'll go to school, but tomorrow Daddy will be around. Okay? Bye. If you're why are you? I don't want to do. Oh, there was some day. Boy, yeah, boy. This one is Modern Vibes. Am I talking? Yes. Hey, I'm sure for more lady. Pause this one. So guys, we are here. I'm leaving them with one of my lecturers. And I'll be back for them later. Now we are going. So guys, I have not left them with my lecturer, so I'm not going for class. Can you imagine? But still we move. So guys, at this point we're having our lunch. Hi, lady. Hey, well, I said school girls, so.
You see, Dino.
Yeah, wait.
Send him come send him there.
Send him. Why I can't say send him? Lady, come. Hey, come. Nisha. Come. Come and let me close. Timbeswale also aquating. Yeah, Mojumo West Timo. What the time when?
I don't care.
What did you say?
For my sister don't break, I don't care.
For what?
I am going to the steps.
Hello.
Mommy, please close them.
Madam.
She is going upstairs.
You people, you will not come here again.
Okay, we will not do this.
You not do which one again? So you know you are disturbing.
We will not do this.
You not do. You won't come here again. Me, I won't take you here again. No, we are going to.
Whatever, my sister never gonna bring.
Hey, we are not going there. Lady, come.
When my sister brings.
Come. Your dress has even open. Come and let me close. Whatever, no. I'll be too. Stop saying that's whatever.
This is a fun. But my sister brings. Whatever.
So far, it was time for another class, so I quickly had to change them because that red and white stretch was very dirty. So I changed the down when I replaced it with skirts, and then look at them. They are going as if we are with them in the school. Now got it to the Mo ina me bread amusu me bread bi. Shikaina. So how has your day been?
Not good.
Not good. You've been going up and down, eh?
Because we didn't go there.
Where?
There.
The other side.
Yeah.
But I wanted to go everywhere here.
Yes.
Hey, and then mobile pa.
So let's go again.
No, I'm tired.
I wanna go again.
You wanna go there again?
Yeah.
So guys, we are done for the day. I'm done with my lectures today. Anyways, you did well small, but you were just worrying me. I'll wee, I'll poo poo, and can you pause it? So guys, we are going home, so go with me, guys.
Don't go with us, guys.
Why?
Because it didn't take us everywhere here.
Hey. And actually, why? Bye-bye. Hey, where is the key? So guys, my girls are exhausted, so sister, big mama is sleeping here, and little mama too is here. So I just packed to position them well, so I'm continuing the driving. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys again in another video. See you and bye.